As a Nigerian, I know you must have had this issue where you just want to recharge like 100 naira and you end up recharging 10,000 naira. Those mistakes are bound to happen. But you know how heartbreaking it can be when you discover such mistake, because as of that point, that was not your intention. You just wanted to like have something to do with your airtime, but ended up making that blunder. It can be heartbreaking. I have been there. We all have been there. I even had a situation where a friend woke me up in the middle of the night only to tell me that a relation went as far as recharging up to 100,000 naira. And I'm like, what will he use it for? But the essence of this video is to help show you how you can turn that unused recharge card into raw cash. What that means is that whenever you make such blunder, you don't need to cry over spilled milk. The deed has been done, but you can turn it into raw cash by sending that money over to your bank account, thereby converting it into money. So there are a few platforms that can help you do this, and I'll be listing some of them. You can check them out. They are all on Google Play Store. That is if you are an Android user, or even the iOS stores. Top on the list is Aim2Get. Now, Aim2Get is a platform that allows users to convert their airtime to cash. The good thing about this application is that once you log in, you have the ability of bringing in the particular number that contains that money that you've overcharged. Once that is done, you can now link your bank account, and in few minutes you have it credited to your account. And the second platform is Zoranga. Zoranga is also similar to Aim2Get. All you just need to do, simply go ahead, download the application on Google Play Store to log in, follow the details, and it has a very good user-friendly interface, meaning that you can do that without anybody even showing you your way about. It is very simple. You have the third one, which is Recharge to Cash. Now, Recharge to Cash is still similar to the Aim2Get and also Zoranga. What you still do is follow the due process, log in. You must log in, you must have all your details imputed. And from there, it gives you the opportunity for you to be able to convert that recharge into instant cash. But one thing I must also advise you is that in the course of doing this, you have to pay some percentage, just like the Aim2Get. The Aim2Get, they have the opportunity of collecting like 30% charge. What that means is that if you've subscribed for like 10,000 naira airtime and you want to transfer it into cash, then you should be ready to give them 3,000. What they will credit to your bank account is 7,000 naira. That is one thing. Though for the different platform, their rates differ. So you just check them out. Whichever that suits you, you go for it. The fourth on the list is CheetahPay. Now, CheetahPay is still similar. All these things are very easy, like I said. You don't need anyone to take you by the hand to walk you through. All you just need to do, log in, create your account, and instantly you get your money credited to your bank account. To the fifth and the last one, which is Airtime Flip. Now, Airtime Flip is still same with the others. They are all in the same family. They still have the same user interface. And I must tell you the good thing about this platform. They've been verified. They are not in any way fraudulent, and they are not in any way scam. So do not even be afraid that your money will be missing. No, it is tested and trusted. And one thing is worthy of note here, that this video is not in any way sponsored by any of these platforms. It is just my own way of giving back to my followers and educating you so that you'll be able to solve certain issues as the matter arises. Now, the good thing about this whole platform is that it is convenient, it is trustworthy, it has user-friendly interface, and instantly you're going to get your cash credited to your account. And another thing is that you still have the opportunity of using even that recharge card for you to be able to pay your bills. You can turn it into utility payments, whereby you can pay for your NEPA bill, for your water bill, and all that. And you still have the opportunity of buying airtime very cheap from these platforms. Yes, you can buy airtimes as little as even 1 gig for a lesser amount compared to how much you're going to get it on the usual network. And again, it supports all network. But like I said, please, for each one you are using, make sure to go through them and see the rates with which they charge. There are some networks that can provide you like 20%, some will say 30 to 35%. It is up to you to make the choice. I leave you with that choice. And please, for more tips and tricks like this, do well to subscribe to this channel, follow us across all our social media platforms, and if you have any question in relation to this, please do well to drop it in the comment section, and I'll be sure to take it up from there. Till I see you again, Have a pleasant time.